That was such a beautiful Hindi skit. We laughed it, all satisfied.
Yes, now let's take a colorful journey across India from golden fields of Punjab to the green backwaters of Kerala. Our friends are ready to take you on a fun tour of their homes there.
Each state has its own flavor, its own culture, its own unique story to tell. Today, our friends are all set to showcase the spirit of unity in diversity.
A land where people wear different types of clothes, eat different types of food, and live and wear different types of clothes, yet live together with love and respect. Dear audience, get ready to journey across the length and breadth of our vibrant nation, from majestic Himalayas of Kashmir to coastal breeze of Kerala, as we celebrate diverse beauty of India.
Namaskaram. I come from Kerala, known as God's own country. We have backwaters, elephants, and delicious coconut curries. During Onam, we make flour rangolis called poglam and enjoy a big feast called Sadhya.
Came Cho. I am from Gujarat, the land of lions and gay forests, colorful kites and garba. We love to eat dokla and play dandiya during Navratri. Do you know that Gandhiji was born in Gujarat? Sat Sri Akal. I am from Punjab, where the fields are golden and the hearts are bold. We grow lots of wheat and ride colorful tractors. Our music is loud and our dance is even louder. It's called Bhangra, Balle Balle. And guess what? We believe in helping others. That's why we have langars in Gurdwaras, where everyone eats together. Namaskar. I am from West Bengal, a place where art, music and sweets live together. Do you know Rabindranath Tagore, a great poet who wrote our national anthem, was from Bengal. We love to sing Rabindra Sangeet and dance during Durga Puja, our biggest festival. We speak Bengali and our favorite treat is Roshogulla, soft, sweet and round like a hug. Bengal is full of magic and melody. Namaskar, I'm from Maharashtra, a land of brave kings and big cities. Have you heard of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? He was a great warrior and built strong forts on high mountains. Our capital, Mumbai, is a city of dreams, and we love to eat vada pav, dance lavani, and cheer during Ganesh Chaturthi. When Bappa comes home with lots of joy, Ganpati Bappa Moria! Assalamu alaikum. I am from Kashmir, the heaven on earth, where snow-capped mountains meet lush green valleys. Our land is famous for its Kashmiri saffron and dry fruits. We weave beautiful pashmina shawls that are as soft as a cloud. Have you ever heard of Dal Lake? We travel on shikaras, those wooden beautiful boats, and in winter, the lake turns to ice, creating a sparkling, magical world. Namaskar. I come from Assam, the land of lush green tea gardens and mighty river, and the famous view that our state is blessed with rich traditions, delicious food, and warm-hearted people. Assam is also home to the famous Swan rhino in the world, renowned Kaziranga National Park. Namaste. I am from Uttar Pradesh, where the holy river Ganga and Yamuna flow. We have the Taj Mahal, Temple Varanasi, and Grand Kumbh Mela fairs. Our people speak Hindi and love poetry, sweets, and festivals. My dear children, I am Bharat Mata. How beautiful and different you all are. You may speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, eat all kinds of food, yet your hearts beat as one, like flowers in a garden. You all make India colorful and bright. Namaste, children. I am the spirit of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, which means that the whole world is one family. At Seth M.R. Jaipuria School, we believe that the whole world is one big family and that we all are brothers and sisters. We respect every language, every religion, and every culture. That is the real meaning of unity in diversity. We are different,
Yet we are one.
We are India, united in diversity. We are one big family, Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam.